I'm Gabe. I'm with Penske Toyota in Downey. I'm going to be showing you how to use a tire repair kit on a 2016 hybrid Prius. These vehicles, the plug-in Prius, do not come with spare tires anymore. So I will be showing you how to use a tire repair kit. It's still located in the back, this repair kit. And these are some of the stuff that comes with it, so you can use it, how to inflate it. There's going to be your pump, and there's going to be your sealant that goes in the tire. You're going to get this. You're going to open it up and unscrew this hose onto the valve stem here. Once you have that done, you're going to grab your pump. Make sure you have it connected to your DC outlet inside the car. You can grab the seal kit, pop this thing open. Make sure you have it all the way inside inserted. And once you have that set, you're gonna turn the pump on and make sure it's running and all the way to the specified PSI, which is around 30-35 PSI. Once you have it there set there, turn it off, make sure it's not leaking. And once the tire actually elevated and you see that it's elevated, disconnect it, put your valve stem cap back on, and it should be okay at this moment. Once you have that done, get everything else, put everything back in the trunk, and drive to your nearest Toyota dealer.